What is up guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alya if you are new here. So in today's video, as you can tell by the title, I am going to be giving myself a TikTok girl makeover. If you are confused about what I mean, I will put up a few images on the screen, but basically it's this makeup that I see trending all over TikTok that pretty much all the girls do, and it's this really foxy kind of winged eyeliner with the inner corners, really glowy skin, and super plump glossy lips. I also noticed they have very straight hair and usually some sort of like little black top on. And I'm not talking about the girls that like do the dances, I'm talking about the girls that do like all those like sexy close-ups where they're like, you know what I'm talking about if you're on TikTok. And they always have like the bling filter on where it's like their eyes are sparkling and their jewelry and their lips are sparkling. Those girls, their makeup's fire. So with that being said, let's see if I can recreate this iconic TikTok makeup look. I've already primed my skin and all that jazz, so we're just gonna jump right into foundation. I'm only doing like a tiny bit of foundation because I feel like their skin always looks just really natural and flawless, like they just have perfect skin already. They probably do because they're young. These girls all have like perfect skin. Mine's actually like okay right now. Probably the best it's looked in a while, to be honest. So I kind of already have that like TikTok snatched nose. That's probably the only thing that I have going for me, but I'm going to just contour it out a little bit anyway, because I'll have that really nice defined little button nose. And to be honest, I don't see like a ton of contouring. It's more so like bronzing. It's just that very like warm skin look. So that's what we're gonna do. We're not gonna go crazy with like actual contour. And I notice the blush seems to be like more on the higher points of the cheeks, not so much on the apples of them, which is interesting. But I'm gonna add a little bit on the apples because I don't like the way my face looks without it. These girls always have like really fabulous glowy skin. I'm just going to be using my NYX Precision Brow Pencil just to get the shape that I want and fill in any areas that I am missing here. So the brows are kept pretty natural. It's not like Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pomade. It's definitely like a pencil and maybe some powder. And then I'm just going to be using an eyebrow powder from NYX and just further filling them in a little bit. Like I said, you don't want them to be too dark because the whole look is a little bit more focused just on the eye makeup and everything else is pretty natural looking. I'm ready for my close-up. So like I said, eyeshadow is pretty much non-existent in this look, or it was very, very neutral. So we're just going to keep it on the neutral side. So just brightening up the lids just a tiny bit and then ever so slightly just warming up the crease. And just applying a little bit of that color under the eye. So now into the fun part, the winged eyeliner. Wow, that's actually like right on. So I have something like that, and then you literally just draw it all the way in and do the inner corners as well. So that's what we're gonna try to do now. I'm just adding a tiny bit of sparkle to the lid in the inner corner area. And whatever's left, I'm just dragging it across just to give it a little bit of a glisten. And I'm just going to highlight the brow bone because like I said, this is like a really glowy look. Then I'm just going to go in with mascara because most of them don't wear fake eyelashes. They just really pile on that lengthening mascara. So I'm going to be using my favorite lash stiletto mascara, and I'm going to do that off camera and I'll be right back. So far all this is going too well. It's like too good to be true. I'm kind of not sure what's going on. Usually I don't have makeup days this good. So lastly, we're gonna move on to lips, and it doesn't really seem like they do any like crazy lipstick or anything. It looks just more like a colored lip gloss, so that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna line my lips first to give that juicy lip appearance. And I just went over the Cupid's bow at the top and drew the line straight across instead of defining it, because I felt like a lot of their lips were just very like round. They didn't have like the point in the middle, so not something I normally do, but let's see how it goes. I'm just gonna do a nice pinky lip. I feel like my makeup now looks just like Addison Justice's makeup. I'll insert a photo of her. She's like stunning and her makeup is unreal. Girl, drop a makeup tutorial because we all want to know how you do it. And now all that's left to do is film one of those cringy, but we love to watch TikToks where the girls just look super pretty in all of them. And it's usually like a slow-mo and it's always like a close-up of their face. So that's what we're gonna do. So I just filmed a couple of TikToks in that style that I'm talking about, and I will put one right here for you. So try not to laugh at the cringiness. That is it for today, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this makeup look. Comment down below if you want to see more videos like this in the future, and thank you so much for watching.